How do I check if an array includes a value in JavaScript? What is the most concise and efficient way to find out if a JavaScript array contains a value? This is the only way I know to do it. Is there a better and more concise way to accomplish this? This is very closely related to Stack Overflow question: best way to find an item in a JavaScript array, which addresses finding objects in an array using index of. Current browsers have array includes, which does exactly that, is widely supported, and has a polyfill for older browsers. Joe, Jane, Mary includes Jane equals true. You can also use array index of, which is less direct, but doesn't require polyfills for out-of-date browsers. jQuery offers an array, which is functionally equivalent to array index of _JS. A JavaScript utility library offers Dart contains, alias Dart include, both of which use index of internally if passed a JavaScript array. Some other frameworks offer similar methods. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.